When it came to applying to become the representative of Iceland for the Venice Biennale, I decided to really take it to the max. I wanted to create this environment, this landscape, this hyper nature to fill up completely the visual space. What fascinated me about using synthetic hair extensions is the fact that it is such a bizarre, mass-produced object. And I like to take it and put it into another context and give it another purpose. To me, these fibers also resemble neurological pathways. The landscape of inside the body is also represented. The piece consists of 3 chambers or caves. You enter first into primal opus. That's a really dark space. So it's like, it's the opening off into the earth. You go through that kind of darkness into this big chamber, this cathedral ceiling of a grotto called Astral Gloria that is covered with mad colors screaming at you and just energizing you. It's overwhelming, and the texture is so alluring, at the same time repulsive. You have to kind of decide which feeling is going to win. Is the beauty going to override the strangeness? You go into the last cave that's called Opium Natura, and there you experience the effect of the colors in a more white and more subdued tones that kind of let you process, I think, the colors. This installation, it took 60 to 100 people to assemble over a course of a year. We ended up building a structure and then hoisting it up. So I was really sculpting it in the air. Adding sound to the piece brings breath and movement and time. It makes it alive. But I wanted it to be almost like this deep earth murmur of elements under our feet, as well as the internal landscape soundtrack that's happening within our bodies, and we don't hear it. The work is very visual, but it's also irresistible to touch. So I decided that it would be okay for people to, what I call pet it like an old shy mammoth, to just kind of be in the same physical contact to the material as I am when I'm working on it. People are genuinely floored by it. I feel like people just drop all their pretenses and start experiencing feelings more than thoughts that want to analyze what they're seeing. And I believe that the colors, they just penetrate your retina and they just release serotonin and dopamine. Of course, there is layers of meanings and references in this work, but you don't have to know anything about anything. It simply makes people happy. The name of this installation, Chromo Sapiens, which translates to color wisdom, is the name for the audience. So people come here as Homo sapiens and they leave as Chromo Sapiens.